Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to take you on day number 2 on my journey of working out and getting healthy. So we're going to take our walk like we always do, and we're going to track our steps on my phone with the tracker to let you guys know how far we went. And we may take a different route today to get those 3 extra minutes so that we can have a full 30 minutes in our walk. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe about this video down below. And let me guys know, what do you do to get healthy and work out during the quarantine? And I know gyms are not open at the moment, so we're just having to be able to walk. So let me know what you guys do to stay healthy and to work out. And I'll show you guys how I continue to work out and stay healthy. Stay tuned. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, today, guys, I put 1 whole lemon in my tea so that it wouldn't taste so bitter. That way, there's no sugar or anything involved, because you can't have sugar. So I went ahead and cut up a lemon and squeezed fresh lemon juice in my tea. So that's the only tip I have for you guys that was different with my tea today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you for going on my journey with me today, again, for walking. And today we walked 1 mile and 48 kilometers, and it only took us 33 minutes, and I took 3,254 steps and burned 209 calories. I say that was a good walk we did today. So what we're about to do now is go in the house, and we're going to go ahead and prepare our healthy meal for dinner tonight. Tonight we will be having chicken salad. I will be preparing 2 separate chicken salads because I want grilled chicken and everyone else wants fried chicken. So I'm going to give them fried chicken salad, and I'm going to have a healthy grilled chicken salad. So I'm going to take you guys along with us to show you how I prepare the chicken salad for dinner tonight. But wait! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video down below. And guys, please watch the video all the way through. Don't just skip over it, because it may be something very informative for you or whoever may be watching. So go ahead and leave it right there. I'm going to be right back. All right, guys. Thank you for coming back. So now I'm going to show you how I prepare our healthy meal for tonight's meal, and I'm going to show you how I chop up the chicken and fry the chicken strips for the salad for everyone who wants fried chicken on their salad, and I'm going to show you how I grill my chicken to put on my salad. But before we get any further, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I hope you guys learned something from these meals that I prepared, so that you can prepare them for your family and make healthy choices in your everyday meals also. So let's jump right into it, guys. Okay guys, we're gonna take that chicken strips out. They're ready. We're gonna put them on a paper towel so that the oil can drain. You want them to be nice and crispy and brown like this, guys. You wanna make sure that they're nice and crispy and brown. And just lay them in there so that they can drain all that oil off. And you can cut them up more if you want to before you put them on each salad. But that's what I do. I just leave them in there to drain. Okay, let's go over here and look at the eggs. The eggs have floated a little bit to the top. So that means that they're ready. We're going to take them out in a minute. And we're going to put them on the, to drain in the sink. And I'm going to run cold water on them to kind of nuke them a little bit. That way I can peel them and cut them up and put them on the eggs. Let's look at my grilled chicken, guys. You see how nicely brown lines it is? I put a little garlic and parsley and black pepper on them. They need to cook a little more. It's not quite done. It takes grilled chicken a little longer. But you want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through, guys. You want to make sure you got that nice brown look on top of it and everything. Alright, we're going to let that cook some more. So, guys, I'm going to finish up this meal, preparing everything, and then I'm going to show you the final outcome of what the meal looks like. Before we go on, though, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe down below to this video. And let me know some of your healthy meals that you are preparing for your family tonight. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, we're all done. We've made the grilled chicken salad. We've made the fried chicken salad. I got stuck there. So don't they both look really good, really healthy, and it's still something that everyone would like to eat. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed day number 2 of our healthy eating and walking and running and getting in shape and getting together. Because I got to lose these 100 pounds, guys, by November. So I'm drinking my tea every day, I'm walking every day, and I am going to make sure that I prepare a healthy meal every night. So what I need you guys to do is to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And let me know some of the healthy tips that you are doing now during quarantine time and some of the healthy meals that you are making for your family. So make sure that you watch this video all the way through, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you later. Thank you.